Ka election jit nong mi khmat shaka jatia sangat lani ka House of the Nation kat kum kariti sensyar kari Bangladesh haka khat artari urumpang arja arhun riu kala Ïaid Beit ngadu kapor nyobu jemen stam haki art spa khandai pukhandai Tylli naki lai spa Tylli ki constituency. Hakui ke MP Constituency kabla tip kum ke Sherpur 3 lahap ban pen Sangeh no ya ke election namar ke jing yap no jong wei naki Kyrtong ubla ai rang nak te ka constituency nuru zaman badol joka seng Bangladesh janmat Islami. Kadik election kadai ke bakong san na kabenta kategori hadin ke jing kan at snam kabla jia hau benai nai tung jong snam arjar pusau kabala pun kot ya ke jing sensyar kabak hat san snam joka Sheikh Hasina. Kidon barok palat shispa arpo nyo million ngot kinong tap vote naki shispa nyo po million ngot kinong song snong jong kategori hakanik election hakabadon barok hat khandai spa prapoi ngot ki Kyrtong naki ar spa arpo khandai Tylli ki constituency kat kum ke election commission of Bangladesh. Kinong song snong kari Bangladesh ki basa shabari ru kila ban tap ya ka vote lingba ka postal voting system hakasin ka bening kong e. Kabor sensyar bersipor kari Bangladesh haka jing alam Muhammad Yunus nadu usnam arajar arkusau hadin ke jing khalam ke sarkar bayalam ka Sheikh Hasina kum ke menteri rang batu kala kedau baka thmu penlong ya ke election ka bakhoj ka basuba ban pen urlong ya kani palat sans pa ngut ki nong khmi na ki ri boper ka perthai ke le don lang kentop na ki European Union but Commonwealth ki baka ri Bangladesh ka don hapo jongki. Kesensyar khadar hakani gari kala telun daki post nam daka jia kun artli ki seng san hima ka wei ka Awami League ka balam khmat daka Sheikh Hasina pat ka wei pat ka Bangladesh Nationalist Party BNP balam khmat menta daw Tariq Rahman khon ka menteri rang bak do barim ka Khalida Zia ka bala khlat hau benai nok pra jong snam arajar arpusan. Na ka jingsha pakhang ka Awami League ka BNP ka don kham shakmat bat bu yau Tariq Rahman kumu Kyrtong bah khmat. Kaba persya ya ka BNP kari ka kunhon ki khatwei Tylli ki seng san hima ha kategori balam khmat da ka Islamist Janmat Islami kaba krep penyar ya ka kam san hima ha borok gari. Na kani ka election ka jia kran kam bam sam ka jingkiu dor ka yok kam yok jambat ka roi ka par haringkat ka yok ka kon kidai ki mat ya kran ki ban rai ha kani ka election ha kani gari ka bawan bapra ha ka jingbun brio ha ka perthai. Apreng ka jingya ka jing tap vote ila don ki riu shim kabu ki bomot ban pun kulmar hakikat tu kat nei ki jaka tap vote kum ka jing kawang bom hamun shiganj ka jing tak ti hapreng ki nong kersan jong ki Kyrtong bat ki wei pan. Ki kai pot kubor ki kedau baga jing tap vote renti ki samla ki bah hapreng kerta khat pra do ar kundai snam ki badon 4 million bat ki kentai ki badan rup ar million kan pen kelaya ka san hima kari Bangladesh. Kajing tap vote kan kut haka por sau baji no pai sngi bat kajing nyau yaki vote kan dei haka khat lai trik urumpang arajar arpun riu. Haka wei pat kaliang ka jilla Meghalaya ka budan kaput bat kategori na mar ke election kalapan klan ki bor pahara haki jaka kaput haka jing trai lang bat ki border security force la ong uba Vivex EMUSP ke East Khasi Hills district. East Khasi Hills, Lightly ki police station, ke Mausen Ram, ke Shela, bat pin Ursla, ki don marjan bat kategori, bat ki day ki bakong san ban tek lakam la don ki jing persang pendek, ya ke jing syong sok syong sengany ha ke jela.
We have about 3 police stations which are actually in our border. One is Ram, the other is Shela, and the last one is Punusla. So, uh, so there's close coordination with the PSF to tackle infiltration, to tackle border crimes, and there are MCPs set up in many places, and the joint checking of BSF and state police is being done together. Time to time also the tactical teams move down there to ensure there's no infiltration of any subversive elements. We are in close touch with the local stakeholders from those places. They uh, have been actually we've been having meetings with them, especially VTP meetings. We've been creating more VTPs, more awareness, more liaisoning and joint patrolling between VTPs and police in those places as they are far flung, and the importance of VTP we have seen especially just in the recent few days also, where people have been accused of witchcraft. Here we say Machana, whereby VTP have been in fact the first saving line of defense. They have saved lives. They have been the people who actually have gone to the place of occurrence first. They have ensured that person accused or victim per se is not hurt, touched until the police comes, or not allowing anybody to take the law into their own hands. So VTP has been very helpful. They've been helping us in vice raids in those places, in providing information of any form of infiltration, of any form of criminal activity. We are encouraging more VTPs. We are working hand in hand, and we'll continue to strengthen and work together with our VTPs. See, the preparedness, we are on full alert. In fact, in December only, we have already had our meeting with our Honorable Chief Minister about this. And since then, we've been intensifying our patrols. There's checking every night, every day, on not only infiltrators coming from down there or any subversive elements, but also people, say like bike thieves is one. A lot of bikes being taken to Bangladesh and all that. So we have checking for that. So that checking is a multi-purpose checkpoint in every thana, and we are intensifying our patrols out there. And there's a lot of coordination with the PSF in terms of mobile checkposts and patrolling. See, the existing police stations and the tactical teams have been given the instruction to actually prioritize the border, move for routine patrols, and also for random surprise patrols along with BSF in the border. So those steps and measures have been taken.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.